Hey everybody, I'm getting pretty good at this list pulling thing. We last year in 6 months we did over 100,000 revenue, and I think it was month 7 or month 8 it was about 130,000. So I just thought I'd put it out there that if you're too busy or you don't want to take the time, or maybe just want a guy with some experience pulling lists from you. I do pull lists from the county records, and I also use X leads. So I've got a few different ways of pulling some quality lists for you. So if you want to, if you got a market in mind and maybe some ideas of what kind of lists you want me to pull, why don't you go below in the comments, or you can reach out to me in the link down in the description, and get a hold of me that way. So yeah, I just got thinking about it. It's like, I got all this know-how. I know how to dial things in. I know how to filter things. And I mean, some people might pay a lot of money for direct mail, and spend it on a bunch of addresses that are just, not good high quality leads. So if you could spend less money on postage, envelope stamps, I don't know what that comes to, maybe $1, $1.50 maybe, by the time you order stuff and you gotta shipping, and then you gotta print it off. So what I could do is I could mail out letters or postcards for you, all one done shop from very start to the very finish, and you wouldn't even have to touch nothing. But I would need to talk to you, get some idea, like I said, on what market and what list we would be doing direct mail. I don't know if I really want to start cold calling for people. I think they could probably do that themselves if they wanted to. Maybe we could work something out with a combination of direct mail, and then if the direct mail don't you can't reach them doing direct mail, to follow up with a few phone calls to attempt to get a hold of them that way. Maybe we could do that, and maybe that could be as an option. Could offer that optional. So anyways, yeah, let me know, and if you found any value, smash the like button. Not too hard. You want to break something, but and subscribe, and then yeah, you guys have yourself a great rest of your day, and I will too. Kelly out. Flip with Kelly.